chocolate lover who goes fridge hunting late at night for that chocolate fix, then this one is for you. I will be making a very simple 2-ingredient dark chocolate fudge. Now you can keep this as simple or as complicated as you want. I'm going to make it a little fancy by adding 2 extra ingredients, and those are butter and roasted nuts, because these 2 things are going to take our fudge to another level. But I promise you, you either make it simple or you make it fancy. It will do its job of satisfying your late night chocolate and sweet tooth cravings. So let's get started.
Now you need just chopped chocolate and condensed milk for this. These 2 things are enough to give you a gorgeous fudge. But as I said, I will be using a little bit of butter and some roasted nuts as well to elevate our fudge. So let's begin by greasing a dish. You can take a dish like this, you can take a square pan or a plate or a thali, whatever you want. Grease it with butter or with oil very well, and then I have placed a sheet of grease-proof or baking paper into it, which I will then just lift once my fudge is ready. So this is done. Now let's move on to the actual fudge part. Take a double boiler. That means you need to take a pan, put a little bit of water in it, heat it, and over that we will keep either a heat-proof glass bowl or a steel bowl, whatever you want. We'll put in the chocolate, the condensed milk, and the butter into it. Keep stirring it till it gets mixed and becomes this beautiful, shiny, homogeneous mixture like you can see here. It's already quite tempting. Once this is done, time to add in the nuts. I have roasted almonds and cashew nuts. You can roast whatever you have available or whatever you like. Once they are mixed through, all you need to do is pour it into your prepared dish or plate and leave it to set for at least 6 hours. In the fridge would be great. Now I'm going to decorate this in 4 different ways because I want to show you all possible ways of decorating and serving it. So I'm going to top a little part of this fudge with these roasted nuts that I had reserved. The rest of the decorating I'll show you once the fudge is out of the fridge. Now once the fudge is out of the fridge, you just take a sharp knife, run it all around the edges of your dish, and then this grease-proof paper will easily come out along with the fudge. Remove this sheet of paper and you're ready to make slices out of your fudge. So I'm going to decorate this in 4 different ways. One is already done, that is topped with the nuts. The other 2 with powdered sugar. Then I'm going to top 2 of them with cocoa powder. That's my favorite. And the last of the 2 I'll be sprinkling with cinnamon powder and a little bit of sugar as well. So there you are, your dark chocolate fudge is ready. Now go and make this and tell me how your fudge turned out. Remember to subscribe. Bye bye and enjoy.